WMF Elevation 10 System Cleanings. Select the Barista or Operations menu, enter the PIN, and navigate to System Cleaning under the Cleaning section. Select on the display whether the machine should be switched off or restarted after cleaning. Fill the water tank with fresh water, reinsert it, and confirm the step on the display. Empty the coffee grounds container and the drip tray. Confirm each step on the display once you have reinserted the containers. Connect the milk hose to the hot water spout. Make sure to route the hose over the spout. Confirm this step to start the process. Open the manual insert lid. Place a cleaning tablet in the manual insert. Close the door and select Yes to start the cleaning process. When the machine prompts you, place a container with a capacity of at least 3 liters under the spout. Once cleaning is complete, reattach the plug-and-clean adapter to the milk container. Your machine is now clean and ready to use again.